Growing a YouTube channel in today's crowded digital space can feel like an impossible task for many creators. You pour your heart and soul into making amazing videos, only to see them get lost in a sea of endless content. Many people believe that success is all about luck or having a viral hit, but that is simply not the case. The truth is that sustainable long-term growth comes from a deliberate and repeatable strategy. It requires a deep understanding of how the YouTube platform and its audience work together. This is where a proven framework becomes your most valuable asset, turning guesswork into a predictable system for success. A system designed to demystify the process of channel growth. It is not a magic trick or a shortcut. It is a strategic approach built on data, audience psychology, and the core mechanics of the YouTube algorithm. This model provides a clear, step-by-step roadmap that any creator can follow, regardless of their niche or current subscriber count. The name itself represents the key pillars of the process, guiding you from initial idea to building a loyal community. It's about working smarter, not just harder, by focusing your efforts on the actions that truly move the needle and generate real, tangible results. At its core, the AlfWiz model is about creating a powerful feedback loop between you, your audience, and the YouTube algorithm. Each component of the model is designed to optimize this relationship, ensuring that every video you publish has the best possible chance to succeed. It teaches you how to listen to the data, understand what viewers want, and package your content in a way that is irresistible. By following this method, you stop throwing content at a wall and hoping something sticks. Instead, you begin to build a channel with intention, purpose, and a clear path toward your growth goals. The importance of having a structured model like AlfWiz cannot be overstated. Without a plan, creators often get discouraged by slow progress and inconsistent results, leading them to give up just before they might have seen a breakthrough. This model provides the consistency and direction needed to push through those difficult early stages. It empowers you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, adapt to changes, and build momentum over time. Think of it as the blueprint for constructing a skyscraper. You wouldn't start without one, and the same applies to building a successful YouTube channel that can stand the test of time. The first crucial step in the AlfWiz model is finding the right video topics. You can't grow if nobody is looking for the content you create. This process begins with research. You need to become a student of your niche, constantly studying what is currently working for others. Look at trending topics within your community and analyze the videos that are getting a high number of views. These are not just random successes, they are clues telling you what the audience is actively interested in right now. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own trending tab are invaluable resources for this kind of market research. Once you have identified potential topics, the next step is to analyze your competitors. Find channels that are successful in your space and study their most popular videos. What questions are they answering? What problems are they solving for their audience? Don't just copy their ideas, but seek to understand the underlying demand that made those videos successful. Your goal is to find a gap or an opportunity where you can provide a unique perspective or create a better, more comprehensive video on a proven topic. This strategic approach ensures that your content is relevant and has a built-in audience from the very beginning. With a great topic selected, you must now focus on making an irresistible first impression. This is where your title, description, and thumbnail come into play. These elements are your video's packaging, and they are arguably as important as the video itself. A strong title should be clear, concise, and create a sense of curiosity or urgency. It needs to accurately reflect the video's content while also grabbing a potential viewer's attention. Similarly, the description should be optimized with relevant keywords to help YouTube understand what your video is about, making it more discoverable through search and suggestions. The thumbnail is your single most important tool for earning the click. It is a visual billboard for your video, competing against countless others on a viewer's screen. A great thumbnail uses bold colors, clear imagery, and minimal text to convey the video's core promise in a single glance. It should evoke emotion and create a question in the viewer's mind that can only be answered by watching the video. Never underestimate the power of a well-designed thumbnail. It is the gatekeeper to your content, and mastering its creation is fundamental to succeeding on the platform. After you publish a video, the work is far from over. The AlfWiz model emphasizes the critical importance of monitoring your video's performance, especially within the first few days. One of the most important metrics to watch is the click-through rate, which tells you what percentage of people who see your video's thumbnail actually click on it. A low click-through rate is a clear signal that your title or thumbnail is not compelling enough to capture interest. It means your great video is being ignored because its packaging is failing to do its job. If you notice a video has a weak click-through rate after the first 24 to 48 hours, you must be prepared to take action. This is not a time to be sentimental about your creative choices. The data is telling you that a change is needed. Go back and test a new title that might be more intriguing or a different thumbnail that stands out more. This process of testing and iterating is vital. Small changes to these elements can have a dramatic impact on a video's trajectory, sometimes turning a failing video into a successful one by simply improving its initial appeal to potential viewers. Another key component of the ALF Wiz model is the strategic use of paid advertising. Ads are not just for big companies, they are a powerful tool for accelerating your channel's growth. The model suggests a two-pronged approach to your ad strategy. A portion of your budget should be dedicated to promoting your videos to new, targeted audiences who have not yet discovered your channel. This helps you break out of your existing subscriber base and reach fresh viewers who are likely to be interested in your content, effectively jump-starting the discovery process. The second part of the ad strategy involves boosting your best-performing videos. When a video is already doing well organically, with high audience retention and engagement, it has proven its value. Putting ad spend behind this video amplifies its success, signaling to the YouTube algorithm that this is a high-quality piece of content worth promoting even more widely. This creates a snowball effect, where the paid promotion leads to more organic views, subscribers, and watch time, significantly accelerating your channel's overall momentum and authority in your niche. Getting a viewer to click on one video is only half the battle. The ultimate goal is to turn that single view into a viewing session. The ALF Wiz model places a strong emphasis on strategies designed to keep people watching more of your content. This is where features like end screens and playlists become essential tools in your arsenal. At the end of each video, you should use your end screen to explicitly guide the viewer to another one of your videos. This next video should be highly relevant to the one they just finished, making it an easy and logical next step for them to take. Playlists are another powerful mechanism for increasing session time. By grouping related videos together into a cohesive series, you create a seamless viewing experience that encourages binge watching. When a viewer watches a video from a playlist, YouTube will automatically queue up the next one in the sequence, minimizing the chance that they will click away to another channel. Strategically organizing your content into well-thought-out playlists not only serves your audience better, but also sends strong positive signals to the algorithm about your channel's ability to retain viewers. The true power of the ALF Wiz model is that it is not a one-time fix but a continuous, cyclical process of improvement. It creates a sustainable engine for growth that builds on itself over time. Each video you publish provides you with new data and insights about your audience. By consistently analyzing this data, refining your content strategy, and optimizing your packaging, you get progressively better at creating videos that resonate. This iterative process ensures that your channel doesn't just grow, but it evolves, becoming stronger and more attuned to its audience with every upload. Ultimately, the ALF Wiz method is a dynamic framework that adapts and improves as the platform itself changes. The principles of understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and optimizing for clicks and watch time are timeless. As you become more adept at implementing this model, your growth will become more predictable and less dependent on luck. You will build not just a collection of videos, but a thriving community and a valuable asset. This commitment to a strategic, data-driven process is the secret to unlocking long-term sustainable success on YouTube.